Mark Golding has assured the people of Jamaica that his message is clear. He is standing firm. Mark Golding have no plans to step down as party leader. He said, with 14 seats gained, the People's National Party has doubled its representation in Parliament to 28 members. Even more importantly, the party has earned the support of an additional 97,000 Jamaicans compared to the 2020 general elections. This is not just about numbers, he said. It's about building a stronger opposition, one that will hold the government accountable, demand transparency, and ensure that the voice of the people is truly represented in Parliament. The journey ahead promises a robust and determined movement for checks and balances in our democracy. This is what our party leader Mark Golding has to say.
In relation to, but first of all, I'm not aware of any historic precedent of which you speak. You know, there have been instances where party leaders have offered their resignation. There have been instances where they haven't, to my knowledge. I serve at the pleasure of the party, and you know, I'm happy to continue to serve in the capacity as leader for as long as the party wants me to. And thus far, all of the MPs who have been elected, all 28, other than one who's overseas traveling, have signed a letter confirming that they have confidence in me and want me to be the leader of the opposition. Right. And that's where it is right now.